There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, Bingo, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, Ingo, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, Ngo, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, Geo, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh, hello, friends. I have a story about dogs today. We just sang a song about dogs, and here's a story about dogs. How was your weekend? Did any of you get to see any dogs this weekend? Do any of you have a dog? If you have a dog, leave me a message and tell me about your dog. What's your dog's name? What's your favorite thing to do with your dog? If you don't have a dog, do you have any other animals? Do you have any other animals that you see in your neighborhood, like squirrels or birds? It's time for us to start seeing those animals out and about again. Spring is coming. Today's story is Go, Dog, Go. This dog is going. It's written by P.D. Eastman, and it's part of a book of things that go. P.D. Eastman writes for the Dr. Seuss storybooks collections. Go, Dog, Go by P.D. Eastman. The dog on the front cover has gone far. Go, dogs, go! Look at all of them running. Go on skates or go by bike. Go by foot, run, skip, or hike. What ways do you see the dogs going? I see some running, some riding on scooters, some roller skating. One's in a carriage. Do you see the one in the carriage? Go by scooter, go by skis. Bundle up so you don't freeze. Go by blimp. Look at the two up top. They're up there playing, it looks like badminton, maybe tennis. Go by boat. Look at this dog jumping off. Go by car. Go, dogs, go. It's not too far. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red. Look at the little bird right there telling them to stop. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red. Go, dogs, go. It's green again. There's the bird walking safely in the crosswalk. You're almost there. Stop at the tree. What does it look like they're going to do? Does it look like they're going to climb up the ladder? It says climb the ladder to a dog party. Isn't that so funny? I love looking at this picture of all these dogs. Do you see all the many different things that they're doing? Eating birthday cake and unwrapping presents. They're jumping rope and playing on a trampoline. Look at all these silly dogs doing silly things. There's even more down here, too. Well, my friends, that's our story for today. I hope you have a good day. I hope that you had a good weekend. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye, friends.